with a new video. JJYO back to a new video. Today we are going to be reviewing the Star Wars shotgun / pistol, and let's get into this. Pew pew! Back here. I am back, guys. We got the Star Wars gun. Sadly, this gun only has 2 darts. Might look like it's a break action right here. Might actually be. Yeah, it's not. It has a very long nozzle. It's a pullback like our fire strike, like you saw in the last episode. Very weak. Does take batteries right here in the back. But you don't need batteries if you don't want it to have like lights like that. Or that sound. Your choice, take the batteries out or not. I don't know what kind of batteries it has, so I'll get back to you guys when I know in next episode. I think it'll be really good for adults' hand, safe for kids, very comfortable. You can hold it like this or like that. This little thing here is kind of like a scope, kinda. So yeah, let's get into the firing. Whoa. I'm back here with the firing test. Let's do this thing. Just reloaded. So that's the Star Wars shotgun / pistol. I don't like it that it only shoots 2 right here. I don't like how it doesn't have rolling or like a better scope. I don't like that about it. Because I don't like sounds either. So I don't want to take the batteries out. But that will be, sadly, that will be all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you're new to the JJYO, well, Nerf Army, let's say. Please subscribe. I guess I'll see you guys in the next episode. Subscribe, leave that notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching. Peace out, guys. See ya.